Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Erica here from I Made It. Today I'm sharing with you an update on my new KBHome. So we ended up purchasing a KBHome. The model is 3417. I wanted to share with you 3 major upgrades we did. Let's get started. So the first upgrade is a larger lot. We decided to do this because it'll give us enough space to do patios and gardening in the back, not to mention the space between our neighbors and us. More space between each of our homes. So that's a great thing to consider, is a bigger lot. The second upgrade is a covered patio, and this was very important to us because it will give us the area we need to do grilling and just chill in the afternoon. This was quite honestly one of the best choices we did. One of our neighbors got a quote after having built his home, and it was $20,000. To build a covered patio. So this was a really good one. I hope you guys consider building a covered patio as well. Is the last upgrade I would definitely recommend if you are building a KBHome. Get a water softener system. It will improve your skin, your hair, and it'll save on your water. So there's so many benefits to this. I hope this helps you if you're building a KBHome. If you're building a new home, get a water softener system installed. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Bye, see you in my next video.